Hi, to add favorite contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S25, you just need to find and open your Contacts app first. And after that, search for this feature at your favorite contacts. And after you tap it, you would be able to select favorite contacts just by tapping it like this and then tapping done button. And then you should see this tab favorites appears, and in here you'll find all of your selected contacts. Another way how you can add them to your favorites is by tapping contact directly, and on the bottom of the display tap on favorites, so the star will be orange. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.